Keep going. Keep going, Cardi B. I'm back, bitches. I don't want to hear I'm acting different.
We could sell that poem. Yeah, Cardi B, I'm back, bitches. I don't want to hear I'm acting different. Same lips that be talking about me.
It's the same lips that be ass kissing.
These hoes ain't what they say they are, and they praise pussy stank, they catfishing.
I've really made some questionable decisions, but any guy I've ever liked, I used to sweat him. I mean, if I ever opened up to you, I mean, obviously there's something special about you. It's not as clear what that something is now, but obviously it's something.
Wrist quite rocky, talk like Foxy, job like Roxy, spark that broccoli, walk quite cocky, that means sexy, I will save you if you let me, fly with me, get high.
Got done writing for the night. You know, I'm doing nothing different than an artist does. I'm making music. But because I'm a big, bad, scary woman, it's gonna be seen as evil. Wow, that really hurt. You think that I'm evil?